Hey guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is the day that we've been waiting for dahil finally guys, natapos ng aming Bahay Kubo project. Actually kahapon lang siya natapos. Tapos we have to do all the things like to decorate it. So in today's video, we will be showing you the final result.
And before anything else, June is about to end. So guys, happy Pride Month. And also, please don't forget to like our Facebook page as well as follow us on our personal Instagram account. And if you love this video, please don't forget to like and share. And also, please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel.
So guys, I think we're ready to show you the final result at the back. So let's go!
Let's go!
So guys, finally, eto na siya, the finished product of the Bahay Kubo project. So we can't wait to show it to you now. So let me tour you around.
In 3, 2, 1.
So guys, let's start on this side. So again, like what I've mentioned nung last na video, so we put chairs here. So eto na siya guys. So ganun lang siya kataas. And then we have parang window type. We call this birha here in Negros. So initially, etong window type na etong parang bamboo na grills dito, I gave a different design. Gusto ko medyo complicated, pero parang I changed my mind. I want to make it simple for the carpintero, so ginawa na lang parang square, very simple like this. Ayan. Eto, medyo malapad yung kanyang upuan, pero para naman if you want to sleep, you can also sleep here. Ayan. So it's the same on the other side. Puchuchut is there. Ayan. Tapos dito naman sa front, initially I want na parang flat dito like what I mentioned sa last video. Pero as per the carpintero, parang mahihirapan daw na ilagay yung flat dito because we're using round bamboos here. So what he said na lang is to use na lang rin yung circle na bamboo. Ayan. Tapos on top naman guys, so we put some lamps, some lights here as you can see. So ang ginamit namin is yung salakot. We bought this from the College Central Market, 3, 4, 500 pesos. Ayan. Tapos we are using warm white as usual dahil again it creates a very good like vibe if you're using warm white. So yan, so ako lang ang run ng electricity. Ayan. And this is again underground because I don't want any hanging wires. So yun siya guys. What else? So for the design, so what we used, bumili na kami ng duyan. Ito. So how much did you buy for this?
600.
600 pesos also from the College Central Market. Ayan. So actually, this is bigger than what we were expecting. So as you can see, medyo malaki siya because what we were thinking is yung maliit lang na table dito, nakasya, pero parang sobrang laki niya guys. Parang if you are here talking to your friend there, parang medyo malayo, pero that's totally fine. Timing for social distancing, right? So we are also planning to put or to ask the carpentero to create a table na medyo malaki din here sa center, pero maybe sa susunod na lang. And yung ilalim ng table, we're planning to make it like a storage area.
Okay, so most of the interiors here and the decorations are less than 300 pesos kasi you don't need an expensive stuff in order your place to look good. So example, this curtain, we got this for 299 pesos at SM department store. Dalawa na siya. So 2 sets, that's 299 pesos for 2 sets at SM department store. And then, yung plants naman dito, we did not buy this. Actually, all of these are, we swap it. Just follow the Facebook page of Let's Swap Bacolod. Tapos, yun. So we got this for free. This is the peace lily. This one is, I don't know, parang maliit na coconut, and that one too. Tapos, yung basket naman, we got this sa Bacolod Central Market. This is only for 125 pesos. May discount pa siya. So, mas mura talaga kapag direct kayo doon bumili. And then, dito naman sa Duyan, Arnel mentioned that we got this for 600 pesos. But originally, yung price nito is some stores sell this for 1,200. Some are 800 and some 750. So, ano lang talaga, just like in Bali, you need to haggle or look for a store na nagtitinda ng cheap item. So, we got this for 600 pesos from 1 to naging 600 na lang siya. And then, yung rope na to, at first, I was offered yung nylon rope na color yellow-orange, which is I don't like kasi hindi siya made of, obviously, it's plastic. So, we want we want our kubo na dapat lahat is eco-friendly. So, we want a native pa din siya. So, naglibot ako and then luckily it was offered to me, this rope. So, at least na-maintain niya yung vibe ng buong kubo. So, hindi siya nylon and plus eco-friendly pa siya. I don't know kung saan gawa to, pero yun, the color, nag-ano siya sana. Imagine kapag naging yellow to or yung yellow-orange na rope, imaginein mo parang magiging cheap tingnan yung bahay kubo nyo. So it's a matter of mixing and matching as well as yung color palette ng inyong kubo dapat nasa same lang siya in order to look good. Isa po siyang tip para sa mag-decorate kayo ng inyong mga place. Next, Vista Peace Shell. Ito talaga yung namin originally. Ito talaga yung gusto namin. So, I got this for 120 pesos at Bacolod Central Market. Again, haggle din. Kasi sa iba, merong 600, merong 1,000 plus. So, dalawa siya. Yan. Okay, so in this side naman, bumili kami ng electric mosquito killer. Kasi nga, given na may sapa dyan and then we are surrounded by trees. So, hindi talaga may iwasan yung lamok. But so far, wala naman siyang lamok or any langaw, which is very good. So, eto. We bought this one for only 288 pesos sa Daiso. And Arnel will tour you around sa aming newly renovated garden.
So guys, before we proceed pala sa garden, so like what I've mentioned before, so naglagay kami ng outlet dito for any gadgets na gusto nyong i-charge. Also, I put some switch here for the lights there. So ako lang rin nag-assemble, diba? So there, I'm using TTHN wires para medyo sturdy siya. So it's like water resistant, high heat resistant wires. There. Okay, so outside naman guys ng Bahay Kubo, what we did is we put some hollow blocks here. So let's start here. We put some hollow blocks because again hindi siya level. Hindi ito level, so as you can see, the floor of the Bahay Kubo is lower than the area here. So we had to put some hollow blocks and then we had to buy stone. So binili lang namin to guys. 1 cubic of stones. This is around 1.5. Tapos, ayan, nilagay namin dito para mag-flat siya. Ayan. And then initially etong bird's nest andyan yan sa kabila dati, so we transferred it here. Tapos etong palm tree na yan, it was originally here, tapos tinransfer din namin dyan on that side. At etong griller pala guys, so binili rin namin to kahapon lang, so that every time that we have some friends here, we can grill some pork or some barbecue here outside. So this is for 1,800. Actually, short to kahapon. Ito, as you can see, parang ano siya. one foot lang. Tapos, ang sabi namin, gusto namin medyo mataas, so dinagdagan nila. Ayan, ginawa nilang mataas. There. So, ginamit na to namin kagabi when we grilled our pork. So, medyo marumi na siya. Okay, so on this side naman guys, so I would like to make this like a vegetable garden sana. So I just planted alugbati there kahapon. We also planted lemongrass there para sa lamok. There. Tapos itong sili, hindi na namin tinanggal because this is very useful. Ayan. Every time that we grill, gumawa ng sausawan. So you can just pick some chilies here. Ayun siya guys. So on this side naman, ring. On this side, we also have some lemongrass there. Pinya. Andito na siya dati, so hindi na namin tinanggal. We just put some Alin. Alright.
Careful. It's
Alin. So there, pineapples, hindi na namin tinanggal. Nilagyan na lang namin ng what do you call this? Yung garden soil. Eto lemons to guys. I don't know what happened. Parang inuod ata sa. There. So that's for our Bahay Kubo tour. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. So I hope that you liked our Bahay Kubo tour. To be honest, there are some things na hindi na-achieve. Personally, meron akong mga gusto na hindi na-achieve. Pero I'm still satisfied with the final outcome. And I hope you guys did too.
And again, it doesn't matter or you don't have to buy expensive stuff in order na pagandahin ng area nyo. Just look for cheaper ones. If you're not sure, just Google. You can also search Pinterest. Anything.
Yeah, I was using Pinterest actually. All the ideas kinuha ko sa Pinterest. So it's very useful app guys. You can download that.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today's vlog. Hope you like our Bahay Kubo tour. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We are road to 10,000 subscribers already. And thank you very much for watching.
Thank you guys.
See you in
Until
the
the
next
next video.
one.
Bye.
Bye.